over a terrain. There are 3 movement techniques: traveling, traveling overwatch, and bounding overwatch.
Technical.
Ano yung pang suba?
Traveling.
Traveling watch overwatch.
Traveling is used when contact with the enemy is not likely and speed is needed. Distance is 5 to 10 meters between elements and 20 meters between far teams, depending on the terrain and visibility. It allows more control but less dispersion. It is the fastest but also the least distance is 5 to 10
Traveling
meters
overwatch.
between elements and 50 meters between far teams, depending on the terrain and visibility. The leading far team will serve as the overwatch. It has less control but more dispersion. It is slower but has better security.
Una is ka-squad. After 3 minutes,
It is effective in 2 ways: the successive and the alternate.
Sino yung member ni Chief Day?
una dalaga niya. Isa ka-squad.
Yeah, 1 partel.
Drop. Amo ni Mapo.
Tika nilang ah.
Uy. Iso ka niya.
Kasi niya sa
Bounding
resuman.
overwatch
Successive ah.
is done with one party
Dapat mo,
advances
malayan lang sila. Hindi sila mauna.
and holds
Yang
a
alternate to
command,
ang
Successive mo ni. Alternate ang isa.
followed by the second far team, and holds in line with the
Bugat mo?
first line team.
Danlog.
Ang sunod na po.
Ayun na. Successive na nigro. Alternate.
Natabok ni ka mga open terrain.
Leading the far team will serve as the overwatch. The alternate bounding overwatch.
Kanina, walang mga nakabalo na pwede ah.
Kita lang lima ka makailunin
And
dua.
Oh,
holds
lagpat
upon
naman eh.
command.
Wala naman.
And followed by the second far team.
Anniversary.
Samtang